This is the Mucar CDE900, your own personal onboard diagnostic scanner. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Looks pretty cool. It supports OBD2 technology, which every car that's made after 1996 has to have OBD2 protocol, if I'm not mistaken. But what I'm going to do with this, there's some good information on the back of this package, so I'm just going to carefully cut this out of here right now, and then we'll test it out and see how it works. Give it a little demo. All right, so now I got it out of the package. 3.5 foot cable on there, little cap here for your 16-pin connector. Comes with a USB Type-C charging cable that you can use to charge this. Right underneath here, you pull this little flap out, and there is room for a card in there to record data, and also a charging port for recharging this thing. Just plug it in and let it charge. I'm at 98%, came fully charged. And inside the box there were no paper instructions, but the instructions for this are actually all on the machine itself. So you have 4 arrow buttons on here, left, right. You have an OK button. You have a back button on here. And also, if you wanted to, you could just use it as a touch screen on there. If you want to get to the instructions on this, you just go into the settings right here. You go into repair info, and then right here it has instruction. Loads up the instructions right there. And you can just arrow down or swipe with your finger on it, and it tells you how to use it. So let's plug this thing into the car and see what happens. Boy, it's hard to see. I got bad lighting here, but got the Mucar scanner, and I have a Chevy Sonic. So in my Chevy Sonic, the port for this is right there underneath the fuse panel. So let's plug this guy in, see how it works. I think we have to turn the ignition to the on position. You can only plug in one way, so that's good. So I plugged it into my car. It indicated that it was plugged in and it was okay. Doing a live streaming test right here. I'm not a mechanic, so I don't know what any of this means. It says failed on my airflow sensor. Is that because it's not running? I don't know. We lost a load. Look at all that. Ignition timing advance for cylinder 1. I think we might have to start this up. Let's go back. Onboard monitor. In progress. There we go. Rich Deline. Now I don't have the car running. I don't know if that means anything or not, but you can see all the different test results we're getting here. What any of it means, I have no idea. Type of fuel being used. Gas. That's correct. I know that one's right. All right, let's go back here. Onboard monitor while it's running. Okay. Okay. Everything's looking okay. I like that. Okay. Yeah, I'm not a mechanic. I have no idea what any of this stuff means. But there are codes you can look up. So if I were to get an error code, I could go online and look it up. DTC lookup. So I could look up a code, I assume, right there. Cold freeze frame. I don't know what that means. Read codes. Quick view freeze frame streaming. Okay. So it does a quick view on this and locks it in so you can check it. This isn't the live one. Oh wow, and it refreshes it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Anyway, if you're a mechanic, this stuff probably makes more sense to you than it does to me. But plenty of options on this thing. Plenty of readings that I myself don't understand, but you might if cars are your thing. Yeah, look at that. It's telling you it's got my car, 2015 Chevy Sonic. I thought it was a 2014, so I learned something there. Settings you can play with, upgrades you can do to it, all kinds of information for those that work in the automotive industry or the automotive field. I myself do not. If you're looking to check out an affordable car scanner and you're mechanically inclined, definitely check out this Mucar scanner. Check it out.